How to play Batalla de Barcos, Battleship. All right, it says put your 10 battleships on the board by placing them in any of the empty spaces. Only one per box, no overlapping. So you're going to go here and you're going to grab and put your battleships wherever you want on the board. And then it says to guess where your partner's ships are, match up the verb and subject pronoun to create a complete sentence. Say the correct conjugated verb in order to guess. Example, to choose this first box, you would have to match up yo and dibujar. The yo form of dibujar would be dibujo. If I said that correctly, then I would have a hit if it was my partner's stuff right there. So this is what you're going to do. So you have to match those two up and then go from there. Now, if I asked my partner, yo dibujo, and they said, if you look down here, it says, try your best to only speak Spanish. Use the phrases from the frases útiles box to help you. If you get a hit, you say golpe. If that's the case, then you grab a green check so that you know that you don't need to go back to that one and guess it again. However, if you get a miss, then you're going to say falla, or your partner will say falla. And then again, to keep track, you would just put an X. So you'll have your own boxes in one half, and then you'll have your keeping track in the other half. That's just one suggestion. You can keep track however you want to, but I thought that would be easiest. So that's that. You have to try and find all 10 of your amigos' battleships somewhere in here. That is Batalla de Barcos.